Okay, very nice job on the iframes lesson. We're moving on to divs next in lesson 4. Okay, so divs, that may sound familiar. It basically is they define HTML divisions or sections of an HTML page. Basically, you can use divs to group elements together and then style those elements all at one time. So similar to how classes work, but basically the main difference is that with divs, generally you use it to break up your web page into different sections and then style those sections separately. All right, so they can be really useful for creating layouts and organizing different parts of a web page, and we're going to be focusing on that in this lesson. So the first exercise is quotes. This is an article taken from CodeHS Medium blog. CodeHS's Medium blog, sorry. And there are a few quotes throughout this article that need to be highlighted. So if you scroll through, you'll see that there's a few quotes that we kind of want to make stand out. So we're going to put any text that's floating outside of a paragraph tag inside of a div, and then we're going to give it the class equal quote, and we're going to style it in the style sheet. Okay, so basically we want these quotes to kind of stand out and jump out from the article. All right, so when we run this now, it is just, a big blob of text, a bunch of paragraphs. We are going to grab our text outside of the paragraphs and basically wrap it in a div tag. Okay, so div stands for division, and we use it to break up web pages. Okay, so that is quote 1. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for the other quotes that are kind of jumping out here. All right, so class equals quote. And we got 2 more. And last but not least, that's a paragraph. Okay, so I think we got everything that is outside of a paragraph. If we run it right now, it's still going to look the same because we haven't wrote the rules yet. Okay, so back in style CSS, we're going to add our rule here. Remember, this is a class. For class selectors, you want to start with a dot. It's dot quote because that's the name of our class. And basically, we are giving it a font family of Arial and a font size of 20 pixels. Okay, so when you run that, you'll notice that your quotes are nice and bold and they've stood out. Okay, I know this is a little more similar to what we did with classes. Okay, so you may be wondering why we need to use this special div tag. Why is it necessary? We're going to continue working on divs and you'll see other applications of it. But for now, all you need to know is div is division. We use divs to break up pages and into different sections and then style those sections. Okay, nice work on the first div exercise.